Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Today I have a camping burner, and this comes in handy for a variety of different things for outdoor cooking. Comes with a carrying case that has a set directions in there. Didn't find too much useful information, so I'll go over some of the basic stuff with you. You have a couple of different adapters, so this will fit like a standard propane tank. This, I'm not quite sure, but it comes with that. It comes with this propane line. So that will fit your typical camping propane size tanks. And then you want to hook this up to the burner and then basically kind of like push that in, get that started, and you twist it until it basically is done. And then you just give it kind of a little push on that. And then the cool thing is it comes with this cool little igniter on there. I don't know if you can see the spark on that, but that's how you activate it. So very cool. And it does put out a little bit of a spark. So let's get this hooked up. And then this is your hookup for this. So basically you put your bottle on, put a little bit of pressure and twist it on. And then you heard that little psht. And then this is going to be your gas control, so hopefully you can probably smell that. Let me get to the side to ignite this, so I'll turn on a little bit of gas. And then with our igniter, that turns that on. This is great for your camping and you want to bring a wok, not that you would, I would. We'll put that on there, and then we can set our gas to a different height. And this comes in handy too because we have like this outdoor kitchen, so we love using it. And while we can cook on a flat top, we can also do some cooking on a wok as well. Let's get that all the way around. Okay, and I'm gonna make some fried rice, so stay tuned. Oh, anyway. So the rice is basically just about done. Kind of give you an idea. I mean, that's nice and smoky and steamy. Okay, quick single portion fried rice. Brian from Garage Mahal. Thanks for watching and be safe out there.